Join me as I dive into the future of Holo stock and try to predict what's next for it. Holo stock has been on a wild ride lately, and I'm sure many of you are wondering what's behind its recent trends. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about the market, today we're going to dive deeper into the world of Holo stock and explore what the future might hold. One of the biggest challenges facing Holo stock right now is market volatility. We've seen wild swings in the stock's value over the past few months, and it's been hard to predict what's going to happen next. Another challenge is the ongoing company developments that may impact its future. There have been some significant changes in the company's leadership and strategy, and it's unclear how these changes will affect the stock in the long run. Furthermore, the current economic climate is also playing a role in Holo stock's performance. With interest rates changing and global events unfolding, it's tough to know how Holo stock will respond. And let's not forget about the competition. Holo's competitors are getting stronger, and it's unclear how Holo will maintain its market share. In addition to these external factors, Holo's internal performance is also a challenge. The company's financial reports have been a mixed bag, with some quarters showing strong growth and others revealing weaknesses. It's hard to get a clear picture of where the company is headed. Let's take a closer look at some recent news and financial reports regarding Holo stock. One of the most significant developments has been the company's shift towards more sustainable practices. This move has been well received by investors, but it's unclear how it will impact the bottom line. We've also seen some significant changes in the company's leadership, with the new CEO taking the reins. This change has brought a lot of uncertainty, and investors are waiting to see how it will play out. Another important factor to consider is the company's recent earnings reports. While some quarters have been strong, others have been disappointing. It's clear that Holo is still figuring out its strategy, and this uncertainty is impacting the stock's performance. We've also seen some significant investments in new technology, which could be a game changer for the company. However, it's unclear when these investments will start to pay off. When we look at market analysis, it's clear that Holo stock is still a bit of a mystery. Some analysts are bullish on the stock, while others are more bearish. It's hard to know who to trust, especially with so many external factors at play. One thing is clear, though, Holo stock is not going away anytime soon. So, what does all of this mean for Holo stock? In my opinion, the biggest takeaway is that the company needs to get its house in order. With so many external factors impacting the stock's performance, Holo needs to focus on its internal operations and develop a clear strategy for the future. This will help the company build a strong foundation and weather any external storms. Another key insight is that investors need to be patient. Holo stock is not going to turn around overnight, and it's going to take some time for the company to figure things out. This means that investors need to be willing to hold on to their shares for the long haul, even if the stock takes a few dips along the way. Finally, I think it's clear that Holo stock is still a bit of a wild card. While some investors are scared off by the uncertainty, others see it as an opportunity. In the end, it's up to each individual investor to decide whether or not to take the plunge. In summary, Holo stock is facing some significant challenges right now, from market volatility to company developments. However, by taking a closer look at recent news, financial reports, and market analysis, we can start to get a better sense of what the future might hold. Remember, investing is all about being informed and making smart decisions, so let's keep an eye on Holo stock and see what the future brings. Thanks for watching, and if you have any thoughts on Holo stock, be sure to leave them in the comments below. If you want to learn more about investing in the stock market, be sure to check out my previous video, where we dive into some more advanced investing strategies.